another episode of Giant Tourists. We are here in Houston at the George R. Brown Center, just chilling, taking pics, acting like fools. You know how we do.
Downtown Houston. Sorry if I sound muffled, I have my mask on. So we're gonna no. So we're pretty much just trying to find where this ice skating rink is. I think it's gonna be like really full.
I think so.
Yeah.
Quite a bit of person.
Looks really, really full. Yeah. It'll have to be a different day. Well, not as fast. Ooh, look! There's a carriage! Oh, but it's wet though. Nope. Not doing that. Mess around, slip and break my ass. So guys, probably I will not be doing this today because it's not icy. This is ice water. Yeah. I don't want to go in the ER with a broken bone. Not today. I honestly thought it was going to be prettier, to be honest.
Yeah, you can see it in color. Yeah?
So she just drop? Nah, do it. And in the wet, so my clothes wet up and soak up. No, not doing it. Anyway, this was fun. Who's ready to go back home and play game? Me. Who's ready to go home and play games? Me. Who's ready to go home and play games? Me. Alright, who's ready to go home and eat food? Me! Okay, so this is cancelled for today. We're not doing anything today. Yeah.
The ice rink is melting.
It's melting! It's melting! No! But yeah. So, next up on the list today. So cool, it blinks. So I'm going to go behind us. Oh wait, there's our next one right there. And then, oh, that's so scary. Whoa. These look like indigenous. He looks like an Indian. And then this one looks like, what's a black man?
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Yeah, it does look like a monster.
How are you?
time. So we're gearing up the games. So we're gonna play Just Dance later. But right now we're gonna play a game called Jackass. Pretty much the rules of the game is that the card pack is distributed through all players, and the person who gets you're the jackass. What do you mean by you put down? You're the thief.
Put down. You're a criminal. Yeah, I'm crook.
I'm sure what they are done.
You had it within you, you know. I knew you had it in you.
It was YouTube simulation.
Use the button on your smartphone to continue. You learn how to use your smartphone to navigate. Okay. Select your avatar.
Ooh, I want the dreads. Where are you going to get the girls?
Please use your smartphone keyboard to set your name of your dancer card. Oh. Everybody has to see the character. Below your nickname. Did you select nickname?
No, not yet.
You just assign your one.
Just go outside, walking in the